Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Rape. Rape means crime of forcing person to have sex against their will. For example, he denied 2 charges of attempted rape. He denied 2 charges of attempted rape. Synonyms: sexual assault, sexual abuse.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. We've got peas and oilseed rape, too, he said. Now, repeat after me. We've got peas and oilseed rape, too, he said. The second exemplar. They were back in the country, surrounded by fields of bright yellow oilseed rape. Now, repeat after me. They were back in the country, surrounded by fields of bright yellow oilseed rape. The third exemplar. Problems facing farmers include the extra costs involved in drying wheat, barley and oilseed rape. Now, repeat after me. Problems facing farmers include the extra costs involved in drying wheat, barley and oilseed rape.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
About 4,000 words are added to the dictionary each year.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.